A very warm good afternoon to all of you. Dear students, today I would like to start with my new chapter, that is, why do we fall ill? Now, it is a question to you students that why do we fall ill? You need to answer this. Think over it. Yes. First can be that maybe we are not taking balanced diet. Second be the case that maybe we are not living in a hygienic environment. And third can be the case that we are not taking vaccination to make ourselves free from any kind of disease. Clear? So in order to make yourself healthy, we need to take care of all these three things. Clear? Students, according to you, what is health? What is health? Health is something, you can say that, ma'am, when we are free from any kind of disease, then we are healthy. Yes or no? But no, students. Okay? Healthy person can be disease free, but disease free person is not always healthy. I'll repeat. Healthy person can be disease free always, but disease free person is not always healthy. Okay, so for being healthy, you need to be physically, mentally and socially well-being. Okay, you need to be very much active. Then only you can say that yes, you are an healthy person. Okay, and for that you need to do exercise, yoga, meditation. Okay, so that you can be physically also, mentally also and socially also active. Clear? So students, I hope so that you have got a proper definition of health. Okay, so what is health? Yes, the health is a physical, mental and social well-being of a person or individual. Okay? Okay. So students, now I'm sure that you have got a particular idea that what we will study in this chapter. Okay? So student, why do we fall ill? We fall ill because we suffer from a disease. Yes or no? Okay. Student, the word disease, when I break it into two words, okay, it will be your dismiss, not in ease, means not in comfort zone. Whenever we suffer from any kind of disease, we are not at all in our comfort zone. Okay, so why and how this disease occur? Student, this disease, it is of two types on the basis of different features. Okay, on the basis of its lifespan. Okay, it is of two types, that is acute disease and chronic disease. Okay, so what is this acute and chronic disease? Student, acute disease is that kind of disease which is of short duration. Okay, like your common cold, cough. Okay, and when we take medication of this, okay, we are fully treated. Okay, there is no side effect of that kind of disease. Okay, and we don't lose any weight also of our body. Okay, and example I've told you that it is common cold, cough. Okay, and whereas this chronic disease, student, it is harmful. Okay, and because it is of longer duration in our body, and when we take medication of this, okay, we suffer from certain side effects, and also we lose body weight. So it is quite harmful. Okay, here I can say the example of your asthma. Okay, cancer is also there. Okay, so I hope so that you have got a clear-cut idea. Next is, student, your infectious and non-infectious disease. Another term for your infectious disease is communicable disease and non-communicable disease. Okay, so student, what is this communicable disease? It is due to pathogen. What are pathogen? These are disease causing organism, and these non-infectious diseases are not at all due to pathogens. Okay, next, it involves certain extrinsic factors, whereas non-infectious diseases is due to your intrinsic factor, okay, from within the body. Okay, and it can be due to your less balanced diet food. If you're not taking balanced food, then also it can occur. Okay, and if I talk about transmission, student, your infectious or communicable disease, it transmits from your that infected person to your healthy person, whereas non-infectious disease, it does not spread. Okay, and it need hygienic conditions, whereas that hygienic condition doesn't play that much important role. Why? Because it is intrinsic. Okay, so example of your infectious disease are typhoid, cholera, okay, TB, whereas non-infectious disease example is your quasicore. Okay, that is due to the deficiency of protein in your diet, or marasmus. Okay, so these are the things. Student, in your this board exam, okay, the definition of health comes, okay, and then comes that what is difference between acute disease and chronic disease, then infectious disease and non-infectious disease. So I hope so that in this lecture you have studied and you have learned that what is the difference between these. Okay, I'll give you my PDF also, in which you will see, you will write also, you will learn also these differences, and you will get more clear idea about this thing. Okay, but if still there is any query, please feel free to call me. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you so much.